this bum-ass move. This is one of his worst moves. This move sucks.
Unoptimized. No idea what I'm doing. Like, literally no idea what I'm doing. Oh my god, you're... What is this move?
Oh my god, that is so fucking sick.
We are gonna get a shit ton of damage. 133
Hit the most.
Season 2 released 2 days ago, and it's had everyone complaining even more than normal. I spent 17 hours reading every patch change and trying it out in-game. And in this video, I want to try to cover the controversy in a way that speaks to a little bit of everyone.
I'm getting some sweet bans in the chat right now. I'm getting some good ones. Just say something stupid, please. Say something stupid so I never have to hear from you ever again.
Swing and shine a laser. I mean, it would be home.
I've spent 48 hours now looking at the patch, and while I see good things, while I see someone at Tekken Corporation trying to do the right thing, I see poisonous meddling, doubling down on the worst aspects of the game.
Tekken 8 Season 2, let's go!
I think I get this one.
Out of both nostrils this season.
The hype you've been waiting for. It's time to bring them into
What the fuck? His stick is a fucking hitbox? What the fuck?
Now I have no fear since we to fight it together. I believe
Fantastic!
we can fly up in the sky. One day we may just be able to
Oh, look at that just defend! Oh my god! There you go. Sam. Grabbing.
There's no turning back for us. 'Cause we would never give up.
Fantastic! Fantastic! Fantastic!
Yippee! That was dog shit, but hey, I like this song from Smashy Bros. This song is not from Smashy hello?
Fantastic! 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 Fantastic!
Let's go!
I'm over here stroking my dick. I got low.
That was on purpose, by the way. Obviously, I wasn't just buffing. I clearly read her. Obviously. Ow. There we go. Let's go.
Watch your feet! Gonna feel this! On the ground! PT! Just gonna let it go! Count! Win! Like that!
Reach for my hand, I'll soar away into the dawn. Oh, I wish I could stay here and cherish hearts in peaceful days. I fear the edge of dawn, knowing time betrays.
Look out! Yeah! Like overheat! Watch your feet!
Let's pass through colored glass in the silver shine, the
Counter.
winds, a smile on his face. It's just
Perfect. Ultra combo.
Holy shit! Oh my god, my controller just died. I just clutched up. I just clutched up. I just clutched.
behind this mask that I have become. My black
Holy shit! Oh my god, I just clutched it. The biggest clutch of my life. Oh my god.
Police training.
This has full battery. Okay.
I can tell by how you fight.
Oh my god, that was the biggest. That was the biggest. Oh my god, that might have been the greatest thing I've ever done. Oh my god, that might have been the greatest thing I've just done.
They were all dead. The final gunshot was an exclamation mark to everything that had led to this point. I released my finger from the trigger, and then it was over. I had just gotten my 15 minutes of fame. I don't know about angels, but it's fear that gives men wings. This party had been dead for a while.
You have been waiting for a chance to pay us back.
NYPD is currently in pursuit of Max Payne, believed to be armed and extremely dangerous.
I know what darkness may.
Oh my god. Alright, next game. Whoa! It's like Drive Impact. What the fuck? I was gonna do it again. I was gonna. Wait. I'm dead. Okay.
Fantastic.
Perfect.
There we go. Perfect game. Holy shit. Oh, I'm dead. I lost.
Oh, yeah.
I did it again. Oh, is this gonna work? Ah! Super move! Divide! Pulse! Farewell.
That's your bitch ass.
Alright, full hop and neutral. Let me show you why it's so cool. There you go.
Listen closely, approach me. Don't try to keep me like greater than post me impossible. I cut a sucker in small chunks, make more rhymes than like a joint makes
Nice. Oh, that was rad. Fuck no. Oh, both invisible and sorry, I was teabagging. Sorry, I was teabagging again. I won't do it again. I will do it again. I swear.
Nice fight. I had a blast.
Hit the like button. Make sure you hit the like button, like a boss. Subscribe, and high fives all around. Whoopsh, whoopsh. And I'll see you, Coke Gooners, in the next video.
Feels the air.